In this video, I will show you how to add cinematic titles to your video and make it better. The first thing you need is a clip. So I have a footage over here, and let's drag and drop this onto the timeline. So this is the footage I have over here. So you can see it's a video of a car. So I want to make this a bit more cinematic and add a cinematic title. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Effects, and here you will have multiple options. In Video Effects, go to the bottom and find Border. In Border, you will see an effect called Cinema 21.9. Now drag this and drop this on top of your clip. Now, this will add a cinematic crop to your video and it will make it more cinematic. So you can see the before and after. Let's compare. See, this is the before, this is the after. So this is one way to achieve a cinematic look. So the other is, let's add a cinematic title. So you can click on title, and here you can search anything you want. I can search cinematic title, Germany travel, yellow. It will give you any result you want. So for example, I'm going to search a travel in Germany. This will give you few options similar to travel in Germany. It will give you different styles and everything. Let's search for one more. Let's say happy yellow. It'll also give you different style, different cool fonts and everything. So one more we'll try, that is superhero. Let's see how that looks like. So it'll give you all these unique different styles and you can use them for free. For this, I'm just going to search cinematic. As you can see, we have plenty of cinematic titles over here. We can drag it and drop any one of them. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to drag this and put it on top of the timeline. And this looks very simple. The title is not moving, it's not doing anything. So the next step is we can add some motion tracking and track the title. So that will make it more visually pleasing. So I'm just gonna keep this here. I want to track this mountain and keep the text in a fixed position of that mountain. So no matter where the camera goes, the text will always be tracking the mountain. Let's enable motion tracking. In the small box, we can put this here. And let's click to start motion tracking. This will complete the motion tracking. It will take a few minutes. Click on OK, and here you have a new field called link element. And here, choose the text, that is cinematic media opener. Now let's play it and see how it looks like. As you can see, no matter where the camera moves, the text is following them out. You can change the color and you can do all these editings later on. Please an easy way to add cinematic titles to your video. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos like these, click on subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.